Welcome back to another edition of the Manhood Monday with your boy Talent from hisandhermoney.com. This episode is called Take the L. What do I mean by the L? That's a loss. And I remember, playing high school football, my senior year was the roughest by far. And it was rough for one main reason. We took way more losses than we did wins. Matter of fact, we won one game that whole season. That was painful. Like, nobody likes to lose. Nobody wants to feel like a loser. And for a lot of us, we keep that mentality moving forward, and we take that into certain situations, whether that is higher education, whether that is career, whether that's relationships, whether that is marriage. And for husbands, it's important to embrace a loss. Like, when you're in marriage, a loss isn't necessarily a bad thing, because you got to understand what marriage is. It's when two people come together as one. And in order for that new one that was created to be effective, you're gonna have to lose some of you along the way. What if I told you that the very reason for your spouse was to help you become a better version of yourself? I know I have experienced that over my almost 13 years of being married. There are a lot of pieces of me that are gone over this past road that I've been on. And you know what? I'm grateful, because those parts of me wouldn't allow me to be the type of man that I am today. A lot of that stuff was still from boyhood. A lot of that stuff would have never allowed me to mature to be able to handle being a husband, to handle being a CEO. I had to lose pieces of me for God to move and mature me and matriculate me to the area of my destiny that I am today. But what if I would have done all that I could to hang on to me? We come into relationships talking about, this is who I am. This is just how I do things. You're just gonna have to accept me as I am. You knew this about me when we met. All of that is garbage, because it's a pruning process. If you were supposed to stay the same, there would be no point of you aging, you becoming 30 and 35 and 40. Nobody should still be the same that they were when they were 15 and 16 years old. There has to be a maturity, and you need that maturity, because there is a destiny awaiting you that you can't even wrap your mind around. God is too big to show you the whole thing, and so he gives you bits and pieces along the way, but he only shows you enough that your level of maturity can handle. So in order for God to reveal even more of what he has in store for you, it's going to be important that you take that loss of your old ways, because the Bible even says the old has passed away, and behold, all things are new. So it should not be your goal to have your spouse, your wife, accept you as you are, to stay the same as you always were. It should be your goal to get better. Remember, that's the motto here, getting better every day. And so in order to get better, you're going to have to die a little bit. You're going to have to lose some bad habits. You're going to have to lose some old mentalities, and you're going to have to grow. You're going to have to get stronger. You're going to have to be the man that your wife needs you to be, that your kids need you to be, and most importantly, that God needs you to be. So that's what I want y'all to focus on this week, is do some self-reflection. Is there some stuff in you, about you, that needs to go away, that you need to lose, that you need to take that L on? Pray, ask God to reveal it to you. Better yet, I want to dare you to ask your wife, hey, what are some things about me that I need to get better at? Some things about me that need to be lost. If you aren't afraid of the challenge, comment below and said you're in. Let me know that you are going to take the L for one reason and one reason alone: to become the man that God created you to be. Well, that does it for this episode of the Manhood Monday. I hope that it helped. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below. Let me know your thoughts. I'm enjoying this, and I hope that you are too. Remember that you can keep up with us at our website, hisandhermoney.com. That's all I got for this time, guys. It's been great. Until next time, peace.